Welcome to How Ines Rolls. I need to go do some grocery shopping and I'm going to a place that I haven't been to in a very long time. Let's go to WINCO. Woo! It has been forever, months since I've been to WINCO. Gosh, the last time I was here, the line wrapped around the building, so it was like the early times of the quarantine. And it looks so much better to go in today. The aisle of savings. See if there's anything I need. Another really cool thing is that they have these self-serve bins, which are obviously closed, but they do have them where you can just buy them already pre-packaged. So that's kind of cool. But I need spices, so let's see if I can find some. So many foods in the freezer, like 3 aisles of freezers. All the veggies, like a huge warehouse of just tons of food here. Ooh, it is warm outside. In the next couple of weeks, it's gonna be even hotter. Ugh. These are like the long days of summer where we're just ready for fall. And my thinking is along those lines. So I spent around $115, which is not a lot, but let me show you some of the things I got, because there are things at WINCO that I love to stock up on. One being spices, and I mentioned that earlier, and I did find some. Also meats. Meats are so good there. And produce. I love getting the produce there. You saw how large that was. It was almost like a gymnasium size of just produce selection. So super awesome. So let's open up one of the bags, which I get paper bags. I only got one plastic for eggs, but I get paper bags so I can just put them right into the recycle. Okay, so I bought 4 of these because Jonas really likes these ones. So I just got these. These were like a little over $1 each. And I got one for Ezra, just spaghetti. I thought I could heat that up right now for him and let him have it for lunch, because I told him that I would use some of this French bread, just a slice of it, so he could have it with his lunch, and he really liked that idea. This French bread is super soft in the center, crunchy on the outside, makes the perfect addition to dinner every night. Just a little slice, put it in the toaster. I could even put some garlic butter on that, but I just usually put regular butter. It's very quick, very easy, and if I'm not careful and I leave it on the counter, then little hands get into it, and big hands, because big boys are always devouring food. So it's very good, kid approved. I picked up some more of this is our favorite syrup. I usually can get the bigger ones at Costco, but this is a pretty good size. It had 50% more for about $3.50, and this one has no high fructose corn syrup. Blech. So it means it just has sugar. We got some cheeses. Now this one is a Mexican sprinkle cheese. It does have a little bit of fluid on the outside, so all you do is just cut it open and dab it with some paper towels. And I like to cut it into pie shaped and then put them in the baggie. So that way it's ready to go, and it's so good on a corn tortilla. It is like one of my go-to easy snacks when I'm just feeling a little snacky. So I love having this around. Plus, sometimes I don't get to all of it, and I'm the only one who eats it. This is about $3 for this cheese. Ranchero. Love it. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had it. So I just picked up some medium cheddar and medium cheddar slices because I picked up some ham. So this will be super good in a tortilla that is put into the toaster. Have I ever showed that to you guys? I'll just show you. So you just line your tortilla, then you put your cheese in,
You put your ham in and then you tri-fold it and then fold it up, put it into the toaster, cook as usual. You may want to flip it the other way if it's still cold on the inside. Either way, it's gonna cook nicely.
Okay, so let's talk about the meat department. Did you see how big it was over there? So I like to just pick up a couple of these steaks. I just feel like I get more for what I am paying for. So that's $7.92, so about $8. And this will probably be a couple meals. Just a couple of lean ground beefs. Now, I could have bought more of the WINCO brand, but this seemed more convenient to have this. And it's the low 93.7. I just picked up some fresh chicken breasts. So this is like 2 to 3 meals. So after we're done having dinner with it, I will put them in freezer bags and then boom, easy go-to dinner. Maybe add it to some casseroles or some pasta. And then these are just cute little steaks. Also more than one meal here, maybe like 2 dinners. And then again, easy, can be had in like a sandwich form or maybe like with salad and some potatoes. So I was able to find the seasonings. These were 88 cents each, which I've seen them at Walmart if I can find them for 50 cents each. So I just need to fill these up, you guys. So I am obviously very low or out, and I like to make my own taco seasoning. Plus, Paul likes to use them for when we are barbecuing. All right, here's some veggies. Now remember, I love the produce there, but sometimes the potatoes smell like burnt a little bit or like gas. It's kind of weird. So I am the weird lady over in the potato section sniffing potatoes. I know, it's weird, but these ones were good. Okay, I like getting broccoli crowns. WINCO to me has the best assortment of broccoli crowns. They have a large area, so you get to pick. And if I don't use these up with like roasted broccoli, then I'll chop them up and put them into the freezer and then use them at a later date. Same thing with carrots. So if I don't use those up and have them as snacks through the week, then I'll chop them up and put them in the freezer. So here is stuff to just make some salad. Plus I thought we could use them for cheeseburgers and then use the rest for the salad. I just picked up 1 onion. Paul's really the only one who likes chopped onions around here. And I was thinking maybe some fajitas and just some good bananas. Okay, so here comes some more things to stock up in the freezer or in the pantry. So I picked up a couple more of these mashed potatoes because yesterday I made shepherd's pie making fresh potatoes, which is delicious, of course. But when I made it the last time before that, I used a whole box for like 2 dinners worth or so, or a dinner and Paul a lunch. So this is like one family serving, it seems like, for us. So I also picked up some of these chicken stuffings. Stuffing and fall are just, they go together like peanut butter and jelly to me. So I just thought I'd have these on hand. Now these are not gluten-free, so this is going to be something that I would just make for like the boys, maybe for a lunch, and then have Paul, like we'll have something for dinner and something different that Paul could have. So this is really good in a crock pot with some sour cream, a cream of chicken soup, and of course chicken. So, but obviously you would add this at the end. Same thing with these Zatarans. Now these are gluten-free. This is perfect in a crock pot with some chicken and a cream of chicken soup, corn, and some cheddar cheese. You're just gonna wanna add this at the end, just like the cheese and the corn as well. So you're just basically cooking in the crock pot some chicken breasts with cream of chicken soup. Look at this, you guys, some teriyaki, but look at the flavoring. Honey and pineapple. Doesn't that sound so good? I think I might leave it out for Paul to do those chicken breasts over there. Seems like a win. And then another thing that I picked up is just a couple of these smaller bags of light brown sugar. Now, when I go to Vaughn's, sugar baking products are very expensive, so I have to remember to pick up these kinds of things at like Walmart and WINCO. Best prices ever. These were like 80 cents or 78 cents. Such a good price. I picked up some more American cheese for the cheeseburgers and some cream cheese because
I am gonna make those brownies again from the last video I made. So good, you guys. And I had to get a 2-pack because I picked up some of these egg roll wrappers. Kobe's been asking me to make those Tex-Mex egg rolls. Let me know in the comments if you've ever made them from my video. They are so good, so yummy. It really has like a chimichanga kind of taste to it, like a baked burrito, but you just switch out the burrito for the egg roll wrappers. Delicious. And you do need to have one of these with it. Picked up some more butter because with me baking and cooking more, I'm using the butter. And I just picked up some nacho cheese sauce. So we have lots of chips in the pantry. So this is definitely like a lunch or a dinner waiting to happen. Picked up Ezra's favorite honey wheat grandma sycamore bread. He's smiling. Another thing that I like to stock up on are these rice noodles. They are found in the Asian section, and they don't have like instructions in English or the directions in English, but it's basically like 3 to 4 minutes of cooking time. Ezra really likes these go-go squeezes, so these were on sale for $1.88 in those aisle of savings. And maybe when I get to Costco, I'll buy him a bigger pack. And of course, I'm still keeping up with buying 1 pack of chocolate chips every time I go grocery shopping. Plus, last but not least, I picked up some eggs. We are going through lots of eggs, mostly with cooking, but I eat like 2 a day for breakfast. So that's it, you guys, that I got from WINCO. I did get from Target the other day some toilet paper, and some of this Dawn Power Wash. Have you ever used this? You guys, I used it to clean my counters this morning, and it was so nice. So the only thing is that I'm a little leery about is that my hands get really dry when not using Mrs. Meyer's like all of her line. So I'm just gonna be a little bit cautious, but if you're a Dawn lover, then you should try this one for sure. It has like a spray, and I am actually looking forward to like using it for cleaning, not just doing dishes, but it, you know, in the commercial it shows the dishes and how excellent it is for them. So you guys, that is it. So remember, WINCO is great for meats and produce, and like they're comparable, their store brand is comparable to Walmart. One of the things I don't buy there is cleaning product or paper product, because it's kind of like hit or miss with how to find it. So you guys, I hope you enjoyed going with me to WINCO. Give the video a thumbs up, and let me know if you want me to go to some other store and pick up some other items, because I am ready for suggestions. So have a wonderful day, rollers. Stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone. Don't forget the live tomorrow. I'm pushing it to 3 o'clock. Bye, everyone.